guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we're in an spear fishing video. It's normal, me and Gemma are going to water, but today we're doing different. Today we are going to eat from one kind of sleep, so we don't bother open our mouth here. So I do an even dive, a long time I do an even dive, so I'm going to do even dive today and some of them water. The water looks clean and pretty. One thing with a spot here now, you can see it look cleaner like this now. In the next 5 minutes after, you get white or get dirty. But it look like it will look clean. So hopefully that is not the case. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish gears up now. And I'm going out to join us in the underwater segment. And please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Just as I entered the water, I saw a lovely bed of sharks coming up. I singled out the one that I wanted, made a dive on it, and speared it. This was my first fish for the morning. It was a lovely one. I heard Jevan calling. He saw 3 barracudas coming up the sea. They were trying to pass him, so he made a dive on them and speared one. As you can see, he's there swimming around. I saw one of the other 3, so I left Jevan and tried to spear one for myself. After chasing the barracuda for about 2 minutes, finally it stopped. I was so tired, I had to take a couple seconds to rest before I dive on it. Just as I reached in shooting range, the barracuda started swimming away from me. Nevertheless, I got a shot on it, but the shot didn't hold. That barracuda got away from me. I was so disappointed that that barracuda got away from me. Just as I reached the water top, I saw Jevan swimming towards me. What I didn't realize was that the barracuda saw Jevan coming and stopped. After seeing that the barracuda stopped, my hope was restored. I quickly set back my gun to see if I could give it a second shot. However, Jevan took the dive before me. Just as he was about to spear it, it made a run for the deep. So we lost that barracuda. However, I was happy in myself because I thought Jevan had got the one that he speared. When I went over to him, he told me that the one that he speared got away as well. So at this time, we speared 2 barracudas, but we didn't get any of them. Barracuda saw me coming and stopped, so I made a dive on it and speared it. However, the shot didn't hold because the barracuda was on the ocean floor, so the spear didn't penetrate him that good. However, he didn't get that far. After swimming off, he stopped again. So I quickly set my gun, made the dive on it again, and gave it a second shot. This was the first barracuda that was at the Torres Strait. heard Jevan calling me over. When I reached, I saw he had 2 jacks on his spear. He speared both jacks with 1 shot. Today was his lucky day. While watching Jevan taking off the jacks off his spear, he saw another jack come in and pointed it out to me. I made a dive on this jack and speared it. This jack almost got away from me, but I was thankful that I got the opportunity to get a shot at it. At this point, we had 3 lovely jackfish. We speared these jack in less than a minute time. We were happy about that, even though 2 barracuda got away from us. She stole a string. Jevan speared a barracuda. This barracuda was very aggressive. I tried to give it a second shot right there, but I missed. I was nervous because this barracuda was acting all crazy. I quickly reset my gun to see if I could give it the second shot this time. By the time I did so, the barracuda was tired, so it was just laying there on the ocean floor. I made a dive on it and gave it the second shot. The reason for this barracuda acting all crazy was because Jevan speared it in the head. Whenever you spear a barracuda in the head, that's when they are most dangerous. I saw this massive bed of jacks. I decided that I wanted one, so I took the aim on the one that I wanted and speared it. As you can see, it was a lovely bed. After spearing that jack, I saw this lovely barracuda. I made a dive on it and speared it. This was my last fish for the day. Okay guys, so we just come out of the water. It's about 5:18 now. So this is the catch, guys. Today was a lovely day, guys. Look at that. A beautiful catch, guys. 3 nice sized barracudas. Yeah. Some nice sized jacks. Look at that. Some blue pink parrot. Today was a wonderful day, guys. Wonderful day. Alright, guys. So just get to the port. So we're gonna start scale up and go them now.
lovely day, guys. A lovely evening, guys. So guys, thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share and subscribe.